Hey, this is Andrew from Botlink, and we're going to go over how to upload a new flight. To start, remove your memory card from your drone and insert it into a memory card adapter, and then place it into your computer. Then go to app.botlink.com and log in. From there, click the upload button and give your new flight a name. Find the processing type you need for your image set, survey, vegetation index, or 3D model, and then click select. Now, select a folder containing the images you would like to open and click upload. Drag the anchor points to set the processing area and click on the edges to add new anchor points. Be sure to crop out any unnecessary areas to shorten processing time. From this screen, you can change the flight name, view upload details, and delete any unneeded images. Once everything is set, click Upload to begin the upload process. The images will now automatically upload to your account. You can monitor the progress in the window, and if you need to add more flights, just click Upload More. And that's it. That's how you upload images. If you have any questions about our software, check out support.botlink.com for some great detailed guides. Or click on the chat bubble to talk to one of our helpful customer support specialists. Feel free to leave your email and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Or reach out at support@botlink.com or call 701-412-2988. And last of all, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more great videos and tutorials.